Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Tesla Model Y while inside. The simplest way to power down your Model Y is to put it in park, exit the vehicle, and then lock it. The car will automatically enter a low power state, effectively turning off most systems. This process is quick and ensures your vehicle is secure and conserving energy. It's the standard procedure for daily use. If you remain inside the vehicle and wish to fully power it down, you can do so manually. From the main touchscreen, tap on the controls icon, then select Safety. You will find a Power Off button there. Tapping this will begin a complete shutdown of the vehicle's systems, putting it into a deeper sleep mode. This is useful if you plan to stay in the car for an extended period without driving. After manually powering off your Model Y, restarting it is straightforward. Simply press the brake pedal, and the vehicle systems will immediately begin to power back on. The touchscreen will light up, and you'll be ready to drive. Always ensure your authenticated phone key or key card is with you for seamless operation. This quick restart mechanism is designed for convenience and efficiency. Remember, leaving your phone key or key card inside the car can prevent it from fully locking or entering its deepest sleep state. Also, features like Sentry Mode and cabin overheat protection will continue to operate even when the car is off, consuming a small amount of battery power. Be mindful of these settings, especially if you're parking for several days, to optimize battery life.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.